Hello all, welcome to Distraka channel. Today is most of the important options called website tracking traffic. So what is our tracking the traffic option? So what is the major important for the website tracking? So any Google will be, you can check the traffic that are one of the option is called analytics option. First of all, we can check the website live traffic. That option is nothing but real time. In the real time, how many people come into your website? Right now, one. The user coming from Lahore, which page? Blog option. So why it is coming to blog option? They can use it coming from my blog. They can read some contents. Read some of our content. This is nothing but you can check the live traffic purpose. Any user coming from desktop or mobile users, we can checking for option name is called real time option. Interview question, how to check the website live traffic? Go to Google Analytics. The option name is called real time. Here we can showing for location, traffic source, and what is the content. We can all checking from your options are here. They coming blog and training option and conversions. What is the conversion we can give this? Here is option. These all particular option name is called where using for real time. Second, nothing but audience. Audience coming from which platform or which language, which country, which city, which browser, which mobile data, which mobile operating system. These all will be operating system, mobile operating system, country, language. Next one, we can checking for active user per day. How many? 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, 55, 269, 489, 986. These are the active users monthly 28 days ki how many users will be is active on your particular websites. Next will be audience. And demographics, which is not available, we can leave it. Which is available, we can use the option. Age wise 18 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. These are the particular options are here. And age and gender. We can check all option. In a particular Google Analytics, traffic dependent by total 5 options. Is the interview question. Direct, social, referral, organic, paid. 4 options common. Paid is the when you're using for paid search, the paid option will be enabled. But 4 will be common. Direct, organic, referral, social. This is the order. Direct, organic, referral, social. Social will be last option. Where you can check the traffic will be acquisition. How many people coming to direct to your website, organic to your website, social to your website, referral to your website. This all will be. In this total, which is more important, that is decided by your bounce rate. When your list bounce rate will be scored on your particular Google Analytics, that is a good. Social wise, 62%, direct 85%, organic 59%. The date of time period 1 week back. This is only for 1 week report. October 27 to November 2nd. Latest report. If your third also selected, 31st to 3rd, only for 4 days. Social 51, direct 49, organic 47, referral 3. So that is the call. When you're teaching SEO off page, on page affected by the organic search, off page affected by referral site. When you increase the classified everything, they will be called referral websites. Social media separate, referral is a separate. These are very, very important. Social nothing but what are the website will be. Now we'll be using only for YouTube and Facebook option, where you can check for referrals. youtube.com, activebookmark.com, facebook.com, imfit.in, linktree, m.facebook.com, search.google.com. These are the options will be given to the particular customers. So this is a very important on Google Analytics, checking for report. Behavior. Behavior nothing but how to check the web pages traffic. How to check the web pages traffic. Home page. How many views? Page views? 80. Page title. 82. Page views. 61 is a home page. Title and page URL. Both become visible. But complete URL not showing. Only for URL extension. They visible by only URL extension. Search term. The search term they can't show here. And event category they can't show here. Behavior flow. Each page, how many views you got on the particular page views option. Next will be behavior flow. Nothing is a complete overview option in this. Behavior flow, user coming home page. Where exactly exit? What is the major reason? That is, you can recover, traffic will be hold on your particular website. So that is called, we discuss SC1 page, anchor text. Each page sublinks. So they will go to the one by one other pages. So automatically traffic will increase and bounce rate also will be going to the less. These all option will given by the into the particular behavior flow option. That is a very important. Site content for all pages. What is our landing page? This will be showing for bounce rate. Each page how much bounce rate. If his bounce rate will be 100%, nothing but they can't spending more time on your website. Just they will come and leave the website. So that is affected by website scoring for bounce rate. So that is called each page you can write the proper code. We have to show to customers with the content. They're spending more time on your website. Decrease the bounce rate option. So that is the compulsory we can follow a particular option. Site speed also very important. Your site speed nothing but how much time will be taking to open the particular website. That is a very important and particular. Chrome 11 seconds. Country wise. UAE 11 seconds. Pages. You can check it out pages. Home page 11 seconds. Page timings. Here, particular options. Is it clear? So these all option will be given. Option call is Google Analytics. 3 is the very best important website traffic tracking purpose. One is called real-time live traffic, audience, which language, which country, which city, which operating system for desktop and mobile, acquisition. You can checking for referral traffic, organic, direct, and social traffic, and paid search traffic. These all will be shown to customer where into the Google Analytics option. This is the track for public on a particular Google Analytics option. So if any have doubts, you can ask me to my channel about Google Analytics. I clarify doubts. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.